Is the Eastern Grey Squirrel the largest of all tree squirrels? No, this species is a medium-sized squirrel. There are larger tree squirrels such as the fox squirrel and the Indian giant squirrel. Can the Eastern Grey Squirrel eat their own body weight every week? Yes, it can consume up to 1 pound of food per week, which is about the same as their average body weight. Does the Eastern Grey Squirrel build nests in tree branches? Yes, it builds a nest, which is called dray, in the forks of tree branches or in tree cavities. The dray is made of twigs, leaves, moss and fur and can be up to 2 feet in diameter. Can Eastern Grey Squirrel communicate with each other using their tails? Indeed, it uses its large bushy tail for communication. Eastern Grey Squirrel can flick its tail in different ways to signal its mood, intentions or warnings to other squirrels or predators. Does the Eastern Grey Squirrel hibernate during the winter? No, it does not hibernate, but it may become less active during cold or stormy weather. It relies on its stored fat and cached food to survive the winter months. Can the Eastern Grey Squirrel remember where they buried their food? Yes, it is an expert of hiding food for later use. It can bury up to thousands of nuts and seeds in different locations and remember where they are by using landmarks and spatial memory. Can the Eastern Grey Squirrel live up to 20 years in the wild? Now, this species has a lifespan of about 6 years in the wild, but it can live up to 12 years in captivity. The main threats to its survival are predators, diseases, parasites, and human activities. Is the Eastern Grey Squirrel native to North America? Yes, this species is native to the eastern and midwestern United States and the southern parts of Canada. It has been introduced to other regions such as Europe, South Africa, and Australia. Can the Eastern Grey Squirrel swim? Yes, this species is an excellent swimmer and can cross rivers and lakes when necessary. It uses its tail as a rudder and its front paws as paddles. It can also hold its breath for several minutes underwater. Is the Eastern Grey Squirrel herbivorous? No, this species is an omnivorous animal that eats both plant and animal matter. Besides nuts and seeds, it also feeds on fungi, insects, eggs, and even small animals such as mice, birds, and frogs. Can the Eastern Grey Squirrel make different sounds? Indeed, the Eastern Grey Squirrel is a vocal animal that can make various sounds to communicate with other squirrels or predators. Some of the common sounds are barks, buzzes, wails, squeals, trills, quakes, and purrs. Is the Eastern Grey Squirrel immune to rabies? No, this species can contract rabies. However, rabies is rare in squirrels and they are not considered a major source of transmission to humans or pets.